Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to make these corner pockets for our cookbook journal and recipe journal. And so basically the whites are just cardstock that is scrap because I printed something and don't need it. As you can see on the back of that one. So I am using this is part of a music page, but there's no music on it. It's from a magazine I got. And so I'm using that as part of the back to cover the white. And then I'm going to use this page to do the same. So while you guys are watching this, if you can give this a thumbs up and think of subscribing, that really does help me a lot. And now that I have this, I am just kind of trimming up the edges and making sure that it, just a little bit nicer. Now I will be ripping off these edges and I'm going to start inking the edge around the edge. So this is vintage photo I am using to ink it up. Love using vintage photo, especially gives it a good outline for what you want. It gives a good pop once it's on the page. So I hope everyone is doing great and having some fun crafting. If you, I would love to know what you guys are doing, what craft projects and journals you're working on. So right now I'm just kind of ripping up pages and adding some decoration here and there to these pages, and then we're going to add some embellishments to them. And I believe the next video we're going to do is actually finish decorating this book. I'm really loving this cookbook, how it turned out. I had two in the process of being made, and I got one completely finished and given away and totally forgot to record it, a flip through of it. So I'm like, oh well, but I'll remember to flip through this one. So I am just this is just some white fabric that I have that we're going to be eventually putting on just to add a different texture to the corners. It's fun to have different textures. You can do that with, I'm doing different types of paper, and now I'm adding the fabric, and or you can add some stamps to give it some more depth. There's tons of different ways. The beautiful thing about these junk journals and these embellishments is you do what you love. It really turns out cute regardless, I think. They're all different, they're all unique, and they're all beautiful. Everybody has their own style of doing stuff, and I think that is what is beautiful because we learn and grow from each other. That's one thing about this junk journal community that is awesome. We each take ideas from each other and learn and tweak them to our liking, or just, have fun doing what we love. For me, this is totally stress release, and love my stress release. So I am just adding a little bit more glue onto here so we can get it on. And before we finish this, I'm not sure how much more I have on here, but I want you guys to know how important you are. Life is short. And you never know When the last time you're going to have to say I love you or give somebody a hug or be appreciated? And if nobody has told you, you're wonderful. You're amazing. You're awesome. Life is too important to not hear that. Everybody has their own unique, beautiful side that we add to. I am adding some fun blings onto this. Little flat back pearls. Just so fun. So, I love how these are turned out. So, just know you're important. You're loved. And thank you. Thank you for following me. Thank you for your support. I can't even tell you how much it means to me. So yeah, I hope you love these corner pockets. I love them. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.